Jackson and Martha announce their return at the hotel, and Martha, being the boss lady again, Nguga comes over and they tell him that they want everything that they've lost. Zweleth and Tandisa find out that Stan has given back the hotel to Martha, and they're not happy. Tandisa is even making threats that she wants to kill Jackson. Petruna finds herself body shamed when social media thinks she's pregnant, and now she wants to have a liposuction just like Rosemary. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Smoke and Mirrors. So uPhilile went to the hotel enikeza uFanyana isikhaftini only to find that hey siyabuya uStan is like he's losing his mind. uFanyana is like uStan uyasangana, he's seeing Snake, ubizwa noSonganga. But uSonganga every minute afika la he just left because he couldn't stand it. But inyoke khona ibonakhe. And then Jackson and Martha come downstairs. Bazo announce ukuthi they're back at the hotel. Philile was shocked with from the shack, now they're back at the hotel. Now Tandiswa and Zweleth to find out that Stan has given back the hotel to Martha. They give him a phone call. Kuthaw, what's going on? Because we had a deal. You were going to sell the deal to us. At hey, ngihambisile hotel. I gave it back to Martha. There's strange things happening in that hotel, and I think Martha is the best person to lead a hotel. I le hotel nemlingo. I'm telling you. Tandiswa thinks something is off, like on off. What did Jackson do to stand for him to return the hotel to them just like that when he was ready to sell it to them? So Tandiswa was ready to be a hotel owner, but now it has been given back to Martha. Tandiswa is even making threats. Yes, I should have killed Jackson when I had a time. I had an opportunity, but I should have finished him off. But manje, I'm going to do it. Oh, Zweleth is like, please, man, you can't be saying that while you're pregnant. You're carrying our child, man. I know I'm not going to do it now. I hate it. Jackson is always winning. Jackson no Martha are celebrating back to the good life, back to drinking champagne at a hotel, from Mkhukhwini, living with cockroaches, nemichamo, and nengane ikhala from next door, and drinking beer. Now they're popping champagne. Nguga comes over and Jackson says that this is just the beginning. We want everything that we've lost. So I think Jackson is implying that he wants everything, as in the Moya position, amashares wakhe asedepo. Bazokudluza noSakhile yini? Uncuka must not be doing anything to Sakhile, hey? And then Martha admitted to yes, I doubted you as wrong. I thought you won't be able to pull this off. But hi, unimangazile nyani. Uncuka sho ukuthi Uncuka can just see ukuthi hey, they see ukuthi he knows what he's doing. Now, uPetruna goes to the saloon wanting to be squeezed in last minute because yena Mrs. Mayor. Mamik is still angry at her for what she said to her because Mamik is beneath her. She's the mayor's wife, so they're not in the same WhatsApp group anymore. So Mamik will like, yo, yazin, we are fully booked. We are one so make an appointment just like everyone else. Mrs. Mayor does not help you with anything. I'm Jiggy Sasham. And then she goes and gets ready for an event. Rosemary. Rosemary comes to fetch her. Manje, she's looking for her pills and can't find them. Rosemary gives her pills back and she takes them. And it seems like Petruna is pregnant. Now she's taking pills that she does not even know what's awani or how strong they are. They might even affect pregnancy, whatever it is that is going on with them. She takes the pills, they go to the event. They come back, they look at social media. Social media is buzzing about Mayor's wife, Mrs. Mayor, being pregnant. How Mrs. Mayor is expecting Mini Mayor because the outfit she was wearing, but pregnant because you can see Petruna plump. Now she's confidence is killed, thinking she could have worn her black dress because it was going to make her look slimmer. Now she wants to know what is Rosemary doing because she looks so slimmer. It's like she does not have 2 kids. Rosemary was like, no, it's not natural, my dear. I did lipo. I can even give you a number wamina if I love. Happy paid for all of this. This is bought, my dear. Petruna was shocked. Was this is bought, and here I was thinking it's natural. So your doctor must be good, hey? So now Petruna also wants to do a liposuction. Talks to Sakhile later on saying, do you think I'm fat? Sakhile, it's kanjani manje because you look like the same Petruna that I married. Now she starts mentioning that Rosemary did the liposuction, so now she wants to die. She thinks she must just do it because so that she can look sexy. Sakhile, how kanjani? So you want to say good standard of beauty is now Rosemary? You can't be doing that to yourself. You're beautiful when Rosemary has nothing on you. you do not need i-surgery wena Mrs Buthelezi umuhle nje ungakhona and ukuthanda nje yo uPetrina pressure ka-Rosemary is getting into her, and she looks beautiful now. She wants to be skinny like Rosemary just because Mrs Premier is skinny. Hi Petrina, this thing in life I forget you, and this pressure of being Mrs Mayor is just getting into her head. Hey now Tim and Tiny, izinto zabo like they seem to be advancing relationship yabo, because apparently Tiny came to fetch him when he was drunk and saved him from losing his money. And then now Tim says, I think and I think I want to officially introduce you to my family. I'm going home this weekend. And Tiny is even suggesting that he must bring the umawakhe neingane so she can take care of them, because ex-wife Tim Pella has left and does not want to stay with them anymore. Uthim ubona kahle ukuthi ubona la ngithola inkosikazi la kule ntombi kaButhelezi. Uthim might even want to get married again. Hey, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.